Imagine achieving perfect harmony in medicine intake, where each dose aligns with your body's rhythms, enhancing health and wellness. This is the essence of a medicinal regime. Far beyond simply taking pills, it's about a steadfast commitment to a routine that ensures precise consumption of medications. Adherence to timing and dosage isn't arbitrary. These are the pillars upholding your path to recovery and avert the risks of relapse. Let's embark on this journey of understanding how meticulous medication management is a form of self-care, a shield against the uncertainties of ill health. Stay with us to uncover the strategy behind successful medicinal regimes, a synergy of time, dosage, frequency, and duration, sculpting a healthier you. Having introduced the importance of medicinal regimes, we now delve into their very framework, the cardinal pillars of timing, dosage, frequency, and duration. Each acts as a cog in the machinery of precision healing. Timing aligns with your body's natural rhythms. Dosage is the calculated measure. Frequency maintains equilibrium, and duration determines the therapy's length. Adherence to these pillars creates a seamless regimen, optimizing health outcomes. Our narrative continues with John, whose real-life experience showcases the practical application of these principles and their impact on daily living. As we proceed, we meet John, whose initial struggle with a chaotic dosing schedule is a reflection of a widespread challenge. With the adoption of right tools and support, he found empowerment and direction. John's transformation from inconsistency to a steadfast regimen serves as an inspiration, showing that persistent efforts and a structured approach are key to enhanced health outcomes. Join us in uncovering the tools and insights that helped John and can assist anyone in managing complex medication schedules. Deepening our understanding, let's explore the suite of tools that turn medication management into a synchronized routine. Reminders, pill organizers, and mobile apps are the unsung heroes in this process, offering structure and simplicity. Healthcare professionals guide us with personalized advice through the nuances of each unique health journey. As these tools interplay, they uphold your medicinal regime, a symphony of timely doses, promising a healthier future. What's next? We'll demonstrate how knowledge becomes the catalyst to commit unwaveringly to your wellness. Concluding our journey, we embrace that empowerment is born from knowledge and action. Your daily dedication to medication adherence is a commitment to health that should never be underestimated. John's success story guides us from confusion to clarity, proving that the right tools and determination bring victory within reach. It's crucial to recognize that ongoing education, embracing supportive tools, and becoming an informed patient is not simply advisable but essential for treatment success. Your health narrative continues to evolve with every informed choice, transforming every day into an opportunity to lead your healthiest life.